The relay that we won was first. It was the very first event of the meet. So like we kind of went into that being like, oh, maybe we'll win, maybe we won't, because we were second place going into it. And the fact that that was like the first race of the night was amazing. Like just set the tone for like the rest of the meet. It was really awesome to do that with my team. I mean, I wasn't expecting it, so it was just made me that much more excited to win individually. Been my goal since like freshman year. I got second place both times my freshman year, and then last year second and third. So I was like, this year I have to win. Like that's my goal, and I did. So it was awesome. I have this picture of me like smacking the water, and I'm just like, actually there's a picture of me just being like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I won. So that was pretty cool. It's crazy. There's hundreds of girls on deck in this beautiful pool. Like everyone's like the best of the best. It's a little intimidating at first, but now that like I've done it a few times, it feels pretty cool to kind of be at the top. Right now I'm 9th in the 100 freestyle, so I want to stay there, try and be top 10. And in the 100 fly, I'm kind of like down there a little bit, like towards the bottom. So I'm just going to try and do my best in that event, see if I can make finals. Finals is top 30, so I think it'll be a little different, just that I'm more confident, like being there, like not as intimidated, because I can like compete with them now.